But this one is, I gotta say, out front, this marketing photo that they have of it is solid. It does it so many favors. They do the right LEDs. They make it look great. The front lighting and this front panel looks really nice. Like the case that they picked for this is just really, really nice. You can see the GeForce GTX card in there. That's not an RTX card. The fan, CPU cooler, and the LEDs. It looks like a modern gaming PC. Like it's going to get you into modern gaming if you're not there already. Modern PC gaming. Here's a great side look at everything just lit up. This is a common thing. This is a common thing in these gaming PCs, is making it look light up, making it look good. But something that might go unnoticed here is cable management. Now, this may vary depending on what you get, but the cable management is pretty solid here, leaving some room for open airflow, which can be important, especially around the graphics card. If you look, it's a huge gap here. This is a nice amount of airflow for that card to vent all the heat out, right? So a little closer look at the marketing internals. So let's rate this one really quick just on our charts here. You got a Ryzen 5 3600. Remember, this is the processor. That's the brains of the computer. That's what's going to be doing all of the math work on the back end. Is powering most of your processes. So that's why it's called a processor. So the Ryzen 5 3600 is a solid card. So you're getting a GTX 616 Super SG, and because I know it is the most price efficient card in the market. You get the best cost per power for graphical power ratio in the market right now. Definitely more of a mid-tier card, but it's pretty nice knowing that you're getting that type of efficiency with it. It is the best price per performance ratio graphics card on the market, period. And so you're getting that in the system.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.